back to the channel, and this is episode 3 of the Chicago Street Photography series. Now, if you are new to the channel, my name is Michael, aka North Established, and I am a street photographer from New York City, just wanting to travel the world and document all that I do that is photography. Now, this is episode 3 of the Chicago Street Photography series and part 3 out of 5 of the whole snow day in Chicago. I was recording all day while I was out in Chicago, and yeah, I was recording all day, and I kind of broke apart those videos into 5 parts. 4 or 5 parts relatively, but we'll see how it goes the next few weeks. But today is episode 3, part 3 out of 5 of me recording all day during the snow day. Now, I don't want to get too much into talking, but I really want to express how much I love making videos like this. Able to create a story through photography with video as a content creator. I love it so much, and doing this allows me to really fall in love with the craft all over again. And yeah, and today I'm actually out again with my friend Bryant Martin. He's a talented local photographer in Chicago. Down in the next few weeks, I will be doing another collaboration video with another photographer. She's also very talented as well. Won't spoil too much about that right now, but we'll get there when we cross that bridge. But before we get into the video, guys, if you are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. It helps me out a whole lot, and it allows me to create more content like this since you guys love it so much. As well as go hit the like button down below. It really helps me out. It tells YouTube that you guys love this, and YouTube is going to share it out to many people around the globe who want to see content like this. But guys, thank you that you are all here. If you just don't put my channel, thank you so much. Again, I love creating content like this. It's more than just like the popularity of it. It really helps me fall in love with the craft all over again. I love photography. I love telling stories like this through video, and it really inspires me, and it inspires you guys too. So yeah, but yeah, I've talked so much already. I'm just really excited about this content. But let's get into the video, guys. I will see you at the end of the video. Peace.
Did Gabby come out Friday?
No, she didn't. No. Yeah, she might come on today. Can I get you as a silhouette, like someone right there? Someone right there, yeah, on the side. Right there's good. Right there's good. Get low. Let me get a little closer. Stay there. Stay there. Get a little closer. Nice. Cool. I got a few different.
Sweet.
Got the reflection.
Nice.
I think this one's.
Looks like she's eating me.
That looks like. I got pick through all of them. Oh man. Alright, you know what? Yeah, we can go this way now. See what's over here.
Okay.
I feel there's more people there, anyways.
See if I get this umbrella.
Go get it. Oh. 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 Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, thumbnail right there. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh man.
We gotta get it.
Oh my gosh. That's a perfect, and she turned perfectly too. I was like, yes. That's nice. Woo. Oh man.
It's good though.
It's-
Have more content.
Yeah, more content, spread them out. I mean, it's good for AdSense, I guess. Like, he gives me money. I'm like, dude, just, I mean, AdSense isn't everything, you know?
Yeah.
But I kind of get it. Like, I did a 2-hour New York City video. I was like, oh my God, I'm done. Finally, I'm over this. It's not bad.
I've seen this place one other time. I was like, where the hell is that submarine place?
All right, and that's going to be the end of the video. Guys, if you made it this far into the video, thank you so much. I had a lot of fun recording this POV. Honestly, just me photographing Chicago in the snow or in any elements is just like a joyride to me. I'm like a kid in the playground all over again. I just love it when it like rains, snows. Like shooting an element is just my thing. I love it so much. It's the most exciting part of photography, and as well as creating these videos for you guys. So thank you guys so much if you made it this far into the video. Before I go, make sure you guys like the video down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. I make new videos mostly every other week, you know, so I'm just trying to make sure I'm putting out great quality content for you guys, not trying to rush the videos that I'm trying to do for you guys. But guys, thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you guys into the next video. All right, remember to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.